Welcome back to our channel where we're all about making your travel experiences unforgettable. Today we've got a video that's packed with invaluable insights for all you globetrotters out there. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or just starting to explore the world, we've got a list of travel essentials you'll regret not knowing sooner. These are the must-have items that will not only make your journeys smoother, but also add that extra layer of convenience and comfort to your adventures. Let's dive into today's adventure. Starting with number 1, travel wallet. Traveling can be a whirlwind of excitement, but it's essential to stay organized and secure when it comes to your finances and important documents. That's where a trusty travel wallet comes in. With its multiple compartments, a travel wallet becomes your reliable companion on the road, helping you keep your money, cards, and vital documents neatly organized and secure. Say goodbye to fumbling through your bags in search of your passport or struggling to keep track of various currencies. A well-designed travel wallet simplifies your life and allows you to focus on exploring new destinations with peace of mind. It's a small investment that pays off big in convenience and security during your travels. Let's move on to number 2, umbrella. Don't let unexpected rain showers put a damper on your travel adventures. A travel-sized umbrella is a true lifesaver for any globetrotter. This compact and portable accessory is a must-have in your travel arsenal, ready to shield you from sudden downpours or unexpected weather changes. Its compact design means it won't take up much space in your bag, yet it's there when you need it the most. Whether you're exploring a bustling city, hiking through nature, or simply strolling along a beach, a travel-sized umbrella is your trusty companion, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable no matter the weather. So, be prepared and make room for this handy travel essential in your luggage you'll be thankful you did. Number 3 on our list is sunglasses. When it comes to your travel checklist, don't forget one of the most stylish and essential items, sunglasses. Not only do they add a touch of flair to your look, but a good pair of sunglasses also serves as a vital tool for protecting your eyes from the sun's harsh glare and harmful UV rays. Whether you're lounging on a tropical beach, hiking through rugged terrain, or exploring a vibrant city, sunglasses provide much-needed comfort and eye protection. Plus, they can enhance your overall visual experience, making colors more vivid and details sharper. So, before you embark on your next adventure, make sure to pack those shades and keep your eyes both stylish and safe under the sun. Bringing us to number 4, compression socks. Long-haul flights can be both exciting and exhausting, but here's a travel tip that can make a significant difference in your comfort and well-being. Compression socks. These specially designed socks are more than just a fashion statement. They play a crucial role in reducing the risk of blood clots during extended periods of sitting. By improving blood circulation in your legs, compression socks help alleviate swelling and discomfort that can often accompany long journeys. So, whether you're embarking on a cross-continental adventure or a lengthy business trip, consider slipping on a pair of compression socks to ensure you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. It's a small investment in your health that can make a big impact on your travel experience. At number 5, we have travel-sized medicine organizer. When you're on the go, maintaining your health is paramount, and that includes staying on top of your medications and supplements. Enter the travel-sized medicine organizer, a compact yet invaluable tool for keeping your health routine in check during your travels. This little gem ensures that your pills are neatly organized and easily accessible. No more hunting through bags for loose pills or worrying about missing a dose. With a travel-sized medicine organizer, you can have peace of mind knowing that your health essentials are right at your fingertips, helping you stay on track and enjoy your journey to the fullest. Let's move on to number 6, travel-friendly hiking shoes. When your travel itinerary includes hiking adventures or exploring scenic walking tours, one of the best investments you can make is in a pair of travel-friendly hiking shoes. These shoes are designed with the intrepid traveler in mind, offering comfort, durability, and versatility all in one package. Whether you're trekking through rugged terrain, strolling through historic city streets, or embarking on nature trails, these lightweight hiking shoes are up to the task. Their compact size makes them easy to pack, and their sturdy design ensures you'll have the support you need for your feet on any terrain. Number 7 on our list is portable luggage organizer shelves. Say goodbye to messy and disorganized luggage with the travel-savvy solution, portable luggage organizer shelves. These innovative shelves are designed to fit snugly inside your suitcase, transforming it into a neatly compartmentalized storage space. They're a game changer for any traveler who wants to keep their clothes and belongings organized and easily accessible throughout their journey. No more digging through layers of clothing to find what you need. These shelves allow you to separate and categorize your items, making packing and unpacking a breeze. Whether you're on a quick weekend getaway or a long-haul adventure, portable luggage organizer shelves are a must-have addition to your travel gear, ensuring that you stay organized and stress-free while on the road. Bringing us to number 8, travel-sized carabiners. Don't underestimate the versatility of travel-sized carabiners. These compact yet mighty tools can be a game changer for travelers. Carabiners are your trusty companions when it comes to attaching items to your backpack, securing gear, or even hanging your belongings conveniently. Whether you're trekking in the great outdoors, exploring a bustling market, or just need a quick and reliable way to keep things together, travel-sized carabiners have got you covered. These small but mighty gadgets can be easily clipped onto your bag or belt loop, ensuring you have a secure and accessible way to carry or attach various items during your travels. So consider adding a few of these handy tools to your travel arsenal for added convenience and peace of mind on your adventures. Number 9 on our list is Ziploc bags. Ziploc bags are incredibly versatile and practical tools in our daily lives. They serve a multitude of purposes, making them a must-have item in any household. These resealable plastic bags are commonly used for storing snacks, keeping them fresh and easily accessible. However, their utility goes well beyond the kitchen. Ziploc bags are excellent for organizing small items like jewelry, screws, or buttons, ensuring that everything stays neat and easily retrievable. Moreover, they can be a real lifesaver when it comes to travel. By using Ziploc bags to separate toiletries, prevent liquid spills, or keep dirty shoes away from clean clothes, you can help keep your luggage organized and clean. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through the must-have travel essentials you'll regret not knowing sooner. We hope you found these tips and recommendations valuable in enhancing your travel experiences. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel guides, tips, and inspiration. And also hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates. Safe travels, adventurers, and may your future journeys be filled with incredible experiences and unforgettable moments. Until next time, keep exploring and making memories that last a lifetime.